What is email marketing and how does it work in 2020? Okay, so you've heard about email marketing and you've heard about the list. Okay, the value is in the list, the money's in the list, right? Everybody's heard that, but you've also heard that email marketing is dead, right? So email marketing is dead. Well, the truth is the way it used to be done, email marketing is dead because it was all spam. Okay, but if you cultivate a list, if you work on it and you have a niche and you niche down and you only have people in your list that are interested in your niche, okay, so whatever it is, by the way, if you want to learn how to make money, stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to make money with this. Okay, by the end you're gonna know how to make a lot of money online. Okay, so stick to the end. So you cultivate your list, okay? You have a double opt-in, meaning that people have agreed twice to be on your list, okay? Once when they put their email in the autoresponder that I'm going to show you how to do, and then again they're going to confirm. You're going to send them an email. They're going to confirm that they want to be on your list, okay? And then later on, like every month, 2 months, whatever it is, you decide you're going to go in and what they call scrub your list, and any email that hasn't opened your emails, you're going to remove it, and you're going to prune your list, bring it down to only people who are interested in your niche and who are opening your emails, and that'll be one valuable list. Let me tell you, you're going to make thousands of dollars a day. Once you build up this list to a good size, it's a percentage game. Okay, if you're making a 2% conversion and you have 100 good emails, right? That's 2% is two sales out of 100, and if you're selling something that's $50 a commission, that's $100 a day. All you got to do is make 2 sales. Okay, so stick to the end of the video. Leave a comment down below. Are you interested in email marketing? Let me know if I'm going too fast. I'm going to try and get this under 10 minutes or around 10 minutes, just because that's what I think the people's attention span is going to be. And so I'm going to give you a quick overview. Leave a comment if I missed something. If something was confusing, or if you want to go into more depth on something, I'll be glad to make a video just on that if there's enough interest. Okay, so let's just jump inside. Okay, let me move up here. All right, so when I started doing affiliate marketing back in 2010, this is what everybody was doing. This is what they were doing. They were getting free traffic or paid traffic. We can, leave a comment what are you interested in. Are you interested in paid traffic? You're interested in free traffic. If you want a video on that, leave a comment. Or if you have any experience with either one, leave a comment. So you got free paid traffic, right? Free or paid traffic, and you would drive them to a simple web page that would warm up the traffic. It would be what's called a pre-sale page, and they would warm up the traffic, and then there would be a link, and it would go to your offer, and you would get a commission. Okay, and that's how people made money for a long time doing affiliate marketing, and that still can work. But the problem is people aren't buying on the first exposure to a sales pitch. It's taking 5 to 7 exposures to the sales pitch in order to get a sale. So with that being said, you want to be that 5th or 7th person putting the product in front of the people, and then the way you're going to do that is with email marketing. Okay, so now here we go. This is how it's going now. So you still have the free or paid traffic. Like I said, leave a comment. Do you want free or paid traffic videos? Let me know. So you're sending them to a landing page, which is a lead capture page. Okay, you're trying to capture their email and get them on your email list. Okay, so and you might be giving away what's called a lead magnet, which is maybe a free newsletter or a top 5 guide, depending on your niche. If it's a diet niche, it might be the top 5 foods you don't want to eat when you're on a diet or something like that. Something that people are going to want to get for free, and then you'll get their emails, and then so they'll have an option on this page to also go straight to the offer, like the way the old ways was, right? So they can go and buy the offer right off, but most likely they're not gonna. Okay, so you've collected their email. Now you're going to go and you're going to send them email 1, email 2, email 3. You're going to give value. You're going to give a little bit of a value to them to show that it's a valuable list, and they're going to get good value. And then you're going to offer them, you're going to tell them why they want the product, why the product's going to be good for them, what their life is going to be if they don't get the product. Okay, and that's the kind of stuff. It's value. You're explaining to them why it's going to make their lives better. All right. And sooner or later, they'll go to the offer. Now, you can always follow up with other offers in the same niche. Okay. So you would be following up on other offers because you've got the list for life. Now, like I said, you've collected their emails over here. Now, if they don't open email 1 or email 2 or email 3, you're going to go through and you're going to remove them off your list. Okay, so only people who are interested in your emails, you're going to keep on the list. And as the list grows, that list is going to be very valuable, because that's how you're going to get a high converting list. You might have a list that's 10% conversions, depending on what, how you abuse it and how many offers you put in front of people. I mean, really, as long as you don't, send them 20 emails a day and you're giving them value, you can have them for life. All right. So now what you need to do is you need to get a product. So I'm going to use Digistore24. Digistore24 is the up and coming ClickBank alternative. They have unsaturated products, and I suggest you get into Digistore24. So here we go to Digistore24. Over here on this side, I don't know if it's left or right for you, they have all of the niches, okay? If you have a certain niche that you're in, if you have a certain audience already, maybe you have an email list that you've already started, okay? Oh, and email marketing, you're going to need some software. Stick to the end. I'm going to show you how to get free trial for the best free software. You're going to get everything for one low price. You're going to just, stick with me, all right? And this is not a sales pitch. I'm just trying to help you out. All right, so here's all the niches. If you have a niche, you're over here. But we're on personal development, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and Survival MD, and Doctor's Book of Survival Remedies. Okay, now there's 100 good products here. This one has a 23% cart conversion. What that means is if you get 100 visits to their site, 23 of them are going to buy, because their site is a converting site. Okay, that's their conversion rate. Now you have to get them there. Okay, that's your job to get them there. Okay, so when you're looking at these offers, you're going to want to have an affiliate support page. Okay, so let me just show you something. The earnings here is $36. So we always send it out 1,000 clicks, right? And it's 23%. So we know what the number is, right? Because it's an easy math problem, 230. But hold on a second, they have a cancellation rate. So this is how honest this is, okay? They're going to tell you this is our conversion rate, but we also have a cancellation rate of 8.4. So out of the 230, so let's, out of the 230, made 230 sales. All right. So it's 20, you would lose 21 sales. So let's just say you'd get 210, you would get 210 sales, okay, after the cancellations. And we said that you're going to get $36.38 for each sale. So you've made $7,500. Okay, you've made $7,500 on those 1,000 clicks that you've sent here because of their conversion rate. Okay, now that's affiliate marketing. Now, the people that you captured their email list. Okay, now you've got their email and they're on your list. Okay, what are we going to do with them? But we're going to go to the affiliate support page, Doctor's Book Affiliate Center. Okay, now they're going to have your affiliate link here. Here's your affiliate link. When you sign up to Digistore, you're going to get an ID number, and where it says affiliate, you're going to put your ID number in there. Okay, and that'll be your link. That when you drive traffic to that link, you're going to get your $36. Okay. Now here they go. They email one. They give you the title. Okay. They give you the body, and all you got to do is copy and paste this. And they got another email, 2 emails, 3 emails, 4 emails. Okay. And they show you where to put your link in the email. Okay. Now these are converting emails. Okay. These are converting emails. So you're going to use the converting emails. Now down at the bottom, here they have best converting banners. So if you do Facebook ads, here's your images for Facebook ads. Okay. So you got an affiliate page, you got all the tools you need. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to be creative. You don't have to figure out your own ads. You don't have to figure out your own emails. So now you have all the information you need. You're going to copy and paste all of that stuff into your email autoresponder software. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I do with my software. You could get anyone, depending on the price. I'm going to give you one that's free. Basically, it's an app that comes with another software that builds landing pages that you're going to need. So it's going to have 30 apps for one price. and it's got everything you need. It's a complete digital marketing platform. It's got everything you need to make money online. So it's got the website builders, the landing page builders, the sales funnel. It has the list builder software, and it has the email autoresponder software, all wrapped up for one low price. And I got a 14-day free trial for it. So but stick to the end, because I'm not done showing you how much money you can make. It just showed you how to make $7,500 without even trying. All you're going to do is send some traffic. Okay, and how you're going to get that traffic? Well, if you have a social media following, you can use your social media following and get free traffic, or you could use paid traffic with Facebook ads. Now, like and subscribe to my channel. I have videos on how to use Facebook ads. I got another one coming out shortly on how to make money with Digistore and Facebook ads. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that video. Okay, so now we're going to go over to Builderall. So Builderall has all of these apps. I'm not going to go through it all, but they have all these apps. We're going to go to the Mailing Boss app. So here's the email autoresponder. Okay, now when they sign up for the list, first of all, Builderall is the platform that I'm using. It has 30, like I just said, has 30 apps that you can use. The lead page builder. Okay. It's all cut and paste. You can put your logo up here. You can change this headline to whatever you want. You can put your lead magnet over here. Okay, subheadline. You can change all of this stuff. And now when they click and put their email in here, they go into your sales funnel. Okay, and now the sales funnel, I told you where it goes. Now they would go once they signed up for your email list. Okay, they would get a welcome email. Thank you for signing up. Or it's going to actually say something like, please click to verify that you wanted to join the email list, with a little blurb on what to expect, and that you're not going to abuse them, and that they're going to enjoy their email list and all the emails that you're going to get. You're going to give them nothing but value. Okay, and then they're going to get an email like every day, every week, however you set it up. Okay, and they're going to convert. And the people that didn't buy on the first exposure, now you got all these other exposures, and you're going to expose them to the product and value in the product over and over again until they buy or die, as the saying goes in affiliate marketing. Till they buy or die. Okay, I don't want to go much further than that because I want to keep it quick. But if you want to know more, leave a comment below. I'll be glad to go in more depth. If you're trying to make money online, take my free course. The link's in the description. Take the free course. Get the Builderall software, the 30 apps. I'm going to show you my whole channel. Subscribe to the channel because I'm all about making money online, showing you how to make money online. Let's pay off those student loans. Let's not have this hanging over your head. Let's pay off these loans. Let's start from scratch. Let's start making income streams, so that you don't have to worry about your job. Okay, you need multiple streams of income coming in, so when you lose one thing, like what just happened, and a lot of people lost their jobs, got laid off, and so you still got money coming in other ways. You got to have sales funnels, and I'm going to show you how to build them. And once you figure out one, you still can build another one, and then another one, and another one, and that's how you get rich. Okay, so subscribe to the channel. Let's get rich.